there, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you could join me today. Today's video is going to be a super short one because I haven't quite finished my next painting, but I will be giving away this painting, my last painting that I posted online. So stay with me and I'll be drawing the winner in just a moment. To let you know, the next painting I'm doing, it's a space theme painting. It should be finished in January, so if you turn your notifications on by clicking on the bell icon below, then you'll get notified when it's posted online. So sorry it's not finished this month, it's just been a bit of a hectic month for me, so it won't be long. Before I draw the winner, I really wanted to say thank you for all of your support. I really appreciate it, and I'm looking forward to continuing with my Feel Good project in the new year and giving away more paintings. And I hope you and your families have a very Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. So now let's get on and draw the winner of my bunnies and butterflies painting. Here's all the entrants. And Ian Featherston from New Zealand is the winner of this painting. Congratulations, Ian. I hope you and your family get a lot of enjoyment out of the painting. I'll send you a private message and we can arrange delivery details. You can also find my contact details in the video description below if you want to private message me. So thank you everyone for watching my videos, subscribing to my channel, leaving me comments. I really appreciate it. I'm really looking forward to bringing you more paintings in the new year and continue with my Feel Good project. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas and a happy holiday, and hopefully we'll see you next year. Bye.